This event is organized by COMPUTEX and Taipei Computer Association. Since 2021, Metaverse has grown in popularity and interest and has attracted the attention of various companies and restarted investments in development in the AR/VR industry. In addition to the development of XR hardware, the introduction of various elements including platforms, services, development tools, and AI applications have enabled the development of Metaverse. This forum will start from the market application development, discuss the development of the Metaverse, as well as its application and challenges in various fields. Companies who have been working in these relevant fields for a long time were invited to share about the latest trend and the challenges they might face. So now let's get it started. First, let's welcome the product head of VIVERSE, Mr. Tai Ito from HTC, to share his speech. VIVERSE shape your business in the Metaverse. Let's welcome Mr. Tai Ito.
My name is Tai Ito. I'm from Japan. I'm heading up the VIVERSE product team in HTC. Today, I have the 30-minute session, which I have the two parts. First part is basically quickly introduce you what VIVERSE is and what we do for VIVERSE. And second part is I'd like to talk about the new product we announced in Mobile World Congress a couple months ago regarding the enterprise solutions that we are working on today. So there's a two part that I would like to talk about today. So let me start with the first part. Right? Yeah. Okay. So VIVERSE basically is the HTC's vision and the platform in the Metaverse space. Okay. And this is, we are actually one of the pioneers in the Metaverse space, enabling Web 2 and Web 3 technologies entering the Metaverse space and matching the current needs and also future trend and needs too. And the VIVERSE is also an ecosystem. Ecosystem that offers next generation internet and experiences for anyone, including consumer, developers, also creators, and also enterprises. And then we actually eventually would like to be really portal for you to enter the Metaverse space and also enter the next generation internet anytime, anywhere, where we can offer and explore new experience, and you come back to the same portal every day. So that's our vision that we have today. And what we have here is actually 5 key components to grow this ecosystem and with our partners and developers. This is the very key components that we are working on everyday basis. So Metaverse shouldn't be built as a walled garden, as you know. So we make this VIVERSE completely open platform today. And we've been working on this with partners and grow this ecosystem open environment together. And then we'd like to assist more business together with these partners and developers, grow this dynamic platform for the future. And we do have the 5 components here. Then I'd like to walk you through one by one because this is a key part of our Metaverse VIVERSE platform. So first of all, device agnostic. So we do have a virtual reality headset product, but the Metaverse is not only for virtual reality headset. We make this available for phone, PC, and tablet users for sure. So we make the VIVERSE platform a completely cross-platform product. And then second of all, open ecosystem, open standard. So basically, we support completely open protocol and standards, which means we make it easier for anyone to build and share their creative work in their communities. And third thing, foundation tools. We do have a lot of toolkits and SDKs. And so that creators, gamers, and also students and even entrepreneurs can join, create, and share new experiences in the platform. And last one, which is not least, actually, is the contents platform and experiences. Right? So this is basically super important. Content is very important. We've been engaging with a lot of content partners globally. And we've been enabling solutions, apps, and also contents and services a lot. And then we do also have the investment activities. We join as a board member and the investors for such a kind of famous companies called VR Chat and Engage too. And also, we'd like to have really keen on the working with partners, which is also famous IP holders. And then we are working on a lot of this area together with our IP partners. So we are working today with many partners to build the foundation of VIVERSE. And we are, of course, welcome for more partners to join and then to grow this platform together. So let me walk you through what VIVERSE function we have today. So avatar. So we are very keen on providing a tool for you to express yourself in the virtual space and the metaverse space too. And we do have realistic avatar that you can take your photo and upload your avatar into metaverse space and VIVERSE. And we do have cartoonish design avatar and also a VRM compatible design, which is very something that you can import from this kind of Japanese style anime avatars too. And so this is, when it comes to feature set, one of our mission in VIVERSE is to build your own personal space on the metaverse. And then we develop a lot of tools and features and for everyone to enrich their experiences with this tool. And as you can see here, you can bring your home, make it personal space. You can bring a 3D data or object into your space. And also you can embed your favorite media to watch that in your space too. You can set up also portal to connect your different world so that you can come back and forth between your world and then somebody else's world, like friends or family. And we do have a lot of social capabilities too. So those are the currently available feature set that we have a lot of the subscribers, free subscribers joining the platform enjoy those services today. And then when it comes to the digital marketplace, we do have these functions from the day one. And then we do have we would like to offer the opportunities of monetization by you creating and listing your digital product in the market. So that's such as avatars and also outfit and the decoration of your spaces and so forth. You can bring your digital product into your spaces and sell it as a product. We do have support in MetaMask, Wallet Connect, Vibe Wallet, and HTC account today. So next one is this is actually give you some example of the use cases that is actually happening today, and that we plan for the future. So as you can see, you can bring your brand showcasing, so which means that you can do exhibition in your space. You can do a keynote speech to a lot of people, and the product demos for sure. And then you are running kind of live concert in the metaverse space, and also we are gaming streaming. And also a virtual fashion show that I'm gonna touch upon later. And also we run the digital sports event. So this includes mix of the current activities that we have and the future plan that we have today. So we have a lot of audience coming in our platform and then enjoy those events everyday basis. So let me touch upon a little bit partnership that we run today on the VIVERSE space. So since the launch of VIVERSE, we've been working with a lot of different partners, and then many of our partners joined VIVERSE and creating a lot of new experiences together. So first of all, we have the great partnership with Birdie Wing, which is very famous Japanese TV anime, as you may know, maybe, I don't know, by the Bandai Namco Pictures. This is super popular in Japan, but not only Japan, this is very global, lot of fans all over the world. We have a strategic partnership with them, and then that includes a VR event, Metaverse Museum, and also switching game contents and the VR contents too. So that's the partnership that we are running with Bandai Namco Pictures today, which is very, very, we have a lot of fans and they're waiting for this to be available in VIVERSE space. So another partnership that we're really proud of is Real Prince. I don't know how much of you know this, but we're going to make this available with the very interactive, immersive experience later in 2023 in VIVERSE. So this is very, very excited too. So another one is Warner, the music in Taiwan. They are bringing new music experience world on the VIVERSE space, and the user can enjoy and latest music and video in very immersive fantasy environment. And also, we're gonna unlock some secret features and scenes across the interactive activities in 2023. So we're gonna share more information once it is gonna be available soon. And next one is L. As you may know, this is fashion industry. Right, so fashion, so L Taiwan actually is going to launch its metaverse called Lverse. And then they're going to run the VIVERSE, the same in the VIVERSE space. So together with Avatar Outfit, which is their design, they're going to run the special event in VIVERSE space throughout 2023. So next one is actually a big one that we had in the past. Let me play the video first.
Hello, Regals. I'm Lisa. Nice meeting all of you in such a special and magical place.
All right. So as you know, Chivas Regal is the whiskey company, and then this Asian brand ambassador, Lisa, had their first metaverse event called Regal Planet. Then those fans can create their own avatar and meet their K-pop stars and idols in the metaverse. So fans can access this event through the VIVERSE platform. That's the big event that happened a couple months ago. And last one I'd like to introduce is the collaboration with one of the biggest carriers called the Etisalat, based in UAE. So we had committed in a long-term partnership with Etisalat, which is a really big carrier in UAE, developing ecosystem on Metaverse together called Universe. And then that offers a brand new lifestyle and then completely new way to interact people, friends, and family. So that's the Metaverse space that we are working together, which is already available. And last October, we had announcement together, bringing 3 new Metaverse space experience in launch last year, which is Smart Home, Expo Lobby, and Expo Booth. Those are very popular, the Metaverse space owned by them. And then this is going to be available all over the world today. So that's the what we do. What is the VIVERSE for now? And now I'm moving on to a kind of specific product called VIVERSE for Business. So based on VIVERSE, we're going to bring the solution to enterprise company as a business opportunity solutions. So VIVERSE for Business is customization platform for any enterprise customers in all sizes to build their own virtual office. So this is a big challenge that we are trying to tackle, because we need to have solution for those companies, not only big companies, but small company too, to build their own virtual office. So we've been working with a lot of potential companies and partners, and also client too. Then we have seen a lot of big growing momentums when it comes to bringing virtual space as a headquarter, for example, or office in any vertical and any industries in all sizes. So used to be a very big company can create a lot of virtual space, but now such a small company, small medium companies also looking for a way to build their virtual office. So to support this observation, I have a couple of numbers that I want to share with you guys. So first of all, this is a study from Accenture a while ago, but 89% of executives in this research thinks that Metaverse is going to affect some sort of organizational growth in the future. So that's 89% of executive think that way. And out of those 89 executive thinks that $1 trillion are kind of metaverse-related revenues over next 3 years. So that's big numbers that they predicted. Another numbers that I didn't click that way. Sorry, let me step back a little bit. So 89% of executives thinks that the metaverse has a key role in the growth of their organization. And $1 trillion is the amount of revenue that expected on the metaverse-related product and services. So that's that they think. And also another couple of the numbers. So back last year, 2022, we learned that the 120 billion investment happened just 1 year alone. So this will continue this year in the same way, we believe. And also 97% of actual metaverse users, active metaverse users, had the purchase experience already, which means 90% of active metaverse users spend money in the metaverse space, which is actually growing numbers too. And also, company predicted 50% of component revenue is going to be metaverse related in next 5 years. So, which is also a huge part of the industry revenue. So, those are numbers that is kind of backing up ourselves when we see the growth and also momentum growth in a virtual office development. Then we've been talking with so many companies today, and we learned a lot of the customer trend, also the customer intention from that conversation. This is kind of 5 summaries that we put together, which I would like to share. So why do those enterprise users want to have a virtual space, virtual office? So number 1, so next level of the engagement with the customers and the employees. So this means that today we do have Teams and Zooms as a kind of standard tool for you to communicate with your coworkers and customers today. So that happens every day. And those customers are looking for next step of Teams or Zoom. And what it could be the next, the opportunity for them to step up beyond those video conference call. So that's the area that they're looking to as a virtual office, not just communicating over the video, but to communicate more human way. So that's what they're looking for. And next one is the access to a wider talent pool. This is actually a discovery from our sales. They want to have virtual office to acquire or hire more talented people globally. Because if you have a virtual office, which means there is no borderline. So which means a company can hire employee from anywhere in the world. So this gives access to the talent, any talent pool, which means kind of success to the company in the end. So this is another kind of more HR related items that we learned that virtual office in metaverse space can help. And the third one is flexibility of workplace. This is more like, as you can imagine, right? This is, if you have a virtual office, employee can work from anywhere, anytime. You only need to have an internet. That's it. So anytime, if you have internet, you can come to the office. You don't have to commute and then join the conference call and the meetings together with the colleagues and friends too. And also increasing productivity. So in metaverse space in virtual office, we can give you a lot of immersive tools for you to use the meetings, discussion with your friends and colleagues. So those tools can really give them opportunity to increase the productivity. Because you don't have to commute, you can jump in to the call anywhere using those tools. And then that eventually increases the company's productivity. That's what we see. And the last thing, economic advantage. So instead of having physical office, this saves a lot. If you can really make this happen as a virtual office, you don't have to have a fixed office as a physical environment. So those are the kind of 5 key summaries that we learned from the customers and the reason why they are looking for a virtual office. And for those in market needs and then trend, there's one problem that we have to solve, which that's also common feedback from customers, which is they know the needs, they know what to do, but they don't know how to start, where to start. So we try to solve this problem by giving them a very easy to use platform for them to build a virtual office. So that's where VIVERSE for Business solution comes in. Then why they choose us as a virtual office solution company? So those are the list of items that we believe we are more superior than other competitors and companies too. As I mentioned earlier, VIVERSE is based on open platform. We committed in interoperabilities. We have complete device agnostic, which is cross-platform solution. And we are committed on highest standard of security. We have already digital marketplace. And also, as you know, we have virtual reality headset system. And also we are working on XR solution for a very long time. And also, with all the other communication capability, we believe ourselves can be a total solution, not just a platform and hardware devices. And we run the business globally. So this is kind of a key point as a company to attract the enterprise customers for them to try the virtual office with our solution. So let me walk you through the kind of key introduction of this virtual office solution called VIVERSE for Business. So we have 3 parts. Let me walk you one by one. So first of all, you can own virtual office very easily, very effortlessly, which means we have kind of modular solution, which means we have pre-made template for you to pick and choose so that we can assemble those components together and then provide you a virtual office. So that is really quick, rapid development. So instead of making virtual office from the scratch, we can give you a solution that you can pick and choose, which means we can have really short term, which is rapid development. And and then with this solution, we can do tailor-made for you, which means a modular function, really quick, and then we can be flexible to apply your needs and then favorite into the system. So today, just really snapshot of how the component look like. So this is basically 3 template. Just an example. We have small size office, medium size office, and then large office. This is kind of dome design. And as you can see, there's a grids, 4 grids, 9 grids, and 16 grids. So where you can put your meeting rooms or presentation rooms, demo rooms, and so on. You have a lot of options to be available to pick up, and then you combine them together and design your office. That's how it works in short. And then maybe I can give you some video for you to better understand how it works. So current design, this is a little bit previous design, but kind of dome design office. This is your office. And then in there, you have a lot of grids you can lay out according to your favorite. And this makes the this is a top view. So this is kind of a puzzle, right? Kind of Lego system. You can put them together and then we assemble it and put Unity environment and then ship to the product, to the customer. Then customers start using this environment as a virtual office. So that's the kind of solution that we are working on right now. And this makes it very easy for you to bring your virtual office or virtual headquarters. So the second point is, so basically workplace we hope everyone loves. So initially we were working on this for employers, right? For executive people, hey, and selling this product to them. But we learned a lot from them that, hey, this is not for only employer, but also employee, which means employee needs to have really great office, and then they can stay longer and enjoy. So that means we call it this is more like a workplace for everyone loves. So with 3 points. So we would like to attract global talents. Once you have virtual office instead of a physical office, you can hire a lot of people globally, right? Instead of your local people. And also, because this is a virtual office, any employee can join this virtual office anytime, anywhere as one team. Then, as I mentioned earlier, so this is not just for the productivity. We are bringing a lot of new feature for well-being function too. For example, this is kind of example of the function or room that we are planning for those domes. So we have meeting space, auditorium space, and the like showroom, and also presentation room and the reception, those things. And on top, for people to stay longer and enjoy, we are planning for yoga space and also media space and the meditation space and so on. So this is more like we'd like to plug in those key applications into specific room. Then you can go to that room and start doing exercise with your instructor virtually. So that's kind of function that we are implementing today. And last one is the elevate your work experience, which is we offer a lot of functions that are not available in physical environment, but because this is virtual office, we are bringing a lot of unique immersive feature set. So we bring the portal system, which is you can connect your office to somebody else's office, so that you can portal from one place to another very quickly. So that is a kind of flexibility. As a portal, you can travel to different offices anytime, anywhere. And we do have true to life presence, means we do have real avatar system that I talked about earlier. So this is also one thing that you express yourself in your office in your own way. And then intuitive visualization, we have a lot of functions and features that you can use for the productivity, such as bringing 3D object into your space and evaluate that product with your client, for example. So those are the features that we are offering today. And this just repeat, we have a lot of immersive experiences to increase the productivity, such as multi-display solutions. You can bring your physical desktop pictures to your virtual office. We can do the Zoom, we can do the whiteboard in virtual space, and also a presentation system. So those are the available from each meeting room today. And again, just to repeat, so this enterprise solution is completely following what I mentioned in VIVERSE 5 key points, which is cross-platform solution and very easy to manage. Very easy to manage, which you don't need a specific IT person who has very specific knowledge. So anybody can manage this system. And also we are keen on protecting privacy and security. So those are, I need to repeat, this is a very important component that we need to build in this platform too. So last one, let me show you the current design, how it looks like within the virtual office. So this is one of the example of the dome design office. Here you can see the lobby. You can spawn, in this space after you put the headset. And also you can walk through, you can signage, you can see the kind of floor mapping and or company information or announcement and so on. And you can see a lot of floors in different layers where you can also put as you like, right? Then if you go to, this is kind of 1 minute video, go to the second floor soon. Yeah, for example, this is a kind of presentation space where you can bring a lot of friends or colleagues here, you standing in front of the screen and presenting virtually. So those are the features. And also you can have a very spectacular view outside, which you can change anytime you like as a manager, where people can relax and spend time more. So this is kind of one dome design that we are working on specific customers today. All right, so with that, this is my last slide. So VIVERSE for Business is the enterprise solutions for them to easily come up with a virtual office as headquarters and so on. So this is something we are working on today to be available very soon. Thanks very much for listening.
And next, we invite Dr. William Wong from NVIDIA to share about Metaverse Reimagined, everything everywhere almost at once with NVIDIA Omniverse. Let's welcome Dr. William Wong.
All right, good afternoon. I'm William from NVIDIA, and I believe everyone here has heard of the Metaverse. But every one of us might have our own imagination about it. So I'm going to share what NVIDIA means when we talk about the Metaverse today. Now, the Metaverse is the 3D evolution of the internet. and and NVIDIA offers the right technology for you to access it. Now, by combining the advanced technology of IoT, AI, 3D visualization, AR, VR, and robotics, NVIDIA Omniverse and NVIDIA AI platform is allowing you to build your own metaverse. And in fact, a metaverse of everything on this planet, as small as a product, a city, a factory, or the planet itself. Now, there are various definitions to metaverse. And in fact, the metaverse was first coined in the 90s by a science fiction author named Neil Stephenson. He defined the metaverse as the connected virtual worlds or the extensible physical and virtual worlds. So, but in fact, the metaverse applications are already around us here today. We can see products being simulated in the metaverse. We can see a factory being built in the virtual world to simulate and optimize the processes and design. And we can also see a city being built in the virtual world to do infrastructure planning. And of course, the Earth is also built for climate and weather simulation. Since year 2015, the world has been using AI for various applications in the industry and hence created enormous amount of value to the industries. Now, in NVIDIA, we view the metaverse from an industrial and engineering lens, using the 3D assets in the virtual world to optimize and design products and processes, and subsequently trying to create value from such applications, such as increase the productivity, reduce downtime, lower operational and production costs, and also to improve the output quality. Next, I'll show you a video of what NVIDIA offers as the foundational technology of building the metaverse. Right. We have seen a lot of technologies being involved here in the metaverse. And in NVIDIA, we define the metaverse as virtual worlds with the following attributes. First, it has to be physically accurate and AI enabled. Now, what do I mean by that? Imagine we are building autonomous vehicles in the virtual world. We have to have the right physics that simulate rigid body dynamics, fluid dynamics, or fire, smoke simulations to make the virtual world reflect what is in the real world. Also, the metaverse has to be built in open standards to be scalable and accessible. And of course, the metaverse has to be also precisely timed and perfectly synced to the real world for real-time simulation and optimization. Now we have built, in NVIDIA, we offer Omniverse as a platform for AI developers to build their own metaverse applications. And in fact, as a demonstration, we have also built our own metaverse applications. For example, DriveSim is an application for autonomous driving simulation. Isaac Sim is an application for robotic simulation. Omniverse ACE allows you to create 3D avatars. And Earth 2 is used to simulate the climate and weather of the Earth. Now today I'm going to share what NVIDIA Omniverse is capable of from three aspects: everything, everywhere, and almost at once. Now I'll start from everywhere. Omniverse or NVIDIA Omniverse is not just a tool. We do not compete with tools, modeling tools, or rendering tools like Adobe, Autodesk, Blender, Maya. But we are, or NVIDIA Omniverse is a fabric connecting these tools. We want to connect these tools and bring an open standard to the metaverse. In fact, some of the industrial pioneers are already using Omniverse to build their metaverse applications. For example, General Motors is using Omniverse to build their new automotive concept design. KPF is simulating architectural concept using Omniverse. And Deutsche Bahn is using Omniverse to build their autonomous railway systems. And of course, BMW Group is also using Omniverse to build their upcoming AI factories. Now, besides the software partners, we are also having some of the key adopters who are already using NVIDIA Omniverse today. The Universal Scene Description, or USD, is the foundation of NVIDIA Omniverse. It is an open standard, extensible 3D model language created by Pixar so that those 3D assets created by USD can be brought together from different applications and be used under one platform. Now this is a traditional 3D workflow, having different applications and different plugins. It is difficult to connect or to move 3D data from apps to apps. And with Omniverse and USD, we can do it under one platform. We are bringing the 3D data into Omniverse we are importing the 3D assets into Omniverse so that you can interact with it, so that you can simulate it or collaborate on it. Now we also allow users to build their own plugins in Omniverse so that they can have more extensible features to play with their 3D assets. And they do not have to worry about what file formats they are using because it's all in one standard, that is the USD. So Omniverse is allowing people to access the metaverse from everywhere and by any role, may it be the architect, the designer, the engineer, or the project manager. Now there are some use cases today that's using the metaverse applications to create value in the industries. Now, for example, in the architectural, engineering, construction, and operations industry, people are using Omniverse, or a broader definition, the metaverse, to create conceptual design. And with the 3D visualization, a dispersed team of engineers, designers, and project managers can come together in this virtual world to inspect these virtual and 3D assets so that they can come to a conclusion and finally close the loop to get the design approved faster. And from a manufacturing perspective, engineers can build their 3D models in the virtual world so that they can optimize the design before even building it in the physical world. And that same theory goes to factory building. We can build the factory in the virtual world to do simulations for layout optimization, energy optimization, and some other functions, so that when we build it in the real world, we have the optimized design. Now for retail and packaged goods, designers can also build the product in the virtual world to select the best color, the best material, and the best shape. The simulation of a store can bring about layout optimization, energy optimization, and computer vision training for frictionless shopping. And of course, in warehouses, simulations can also be done through the virtual world. Now, besides being accessible, it's still not enough for a metaverse to be realized. And a metaverse has to be also physically accurate and AI enabled. Now, NVIDIA has developed a language for material definition called the Material Definition Language. And Omniverse offers a wide range of MDL materials built in so that apps connected to Omniverse can have access to it. And these materials are physically accurate. It reflects how it should be in the real world. Besides the materials, we also have some physics-based functions that allow developers to build their metaverse to be physically accurate. For example, NVIDIA PhysX is a built-in Omniverse application to simulate rigid body dynamics, soft body dynamics, fluid dynamics, smoke, fire simulations. And if you are building or if you are using a third-party physics solver, Omniverse also allows you to import your solver and visualize it in Omniverse through a connector. NVIDIA Modulus allows you to train your own physics-based AI models to customize what you have according to your 3D assets and visualize it in Omniverse. Now, besides physics, we also mentioned about AI. NVIDIA AI platform is an end-to-end full-stack solution for developers to build their own AI applications, consisting of 4 important layers: infrastructure optimization and cloud-native management layers allow you to optimize your infrastructure to be AI ready. The AI and data science development and deployment tools allows developers to build their AI use cases or applications faster. The NVIDIA AI platform also provides AI workflows, frameworks, and pre-trained models for enterprise to get started with AI use cases faster. For example, in conversational AI or video analytics. Now, these are some AI applications that we have built on Omniverse. The first one, Audio to Face, is an application on Omniverse that translates or creates facial animation from an audio track. And it is powered by NVIDIA generative AI technology. Another example, Gantt-Verse 3D, is an Omniverse extension that allows you to create 3D model of a car from just one photo of the car. And if you apply physics models to it, you can drive it around. That is an example of combining physics and AI in the metaverse. Now we welcome developers to create their own applications and extensions in metaverse, in Omniverse. Now coming to the third attribute of the metaverse. It has to be precisely timed and synced to reality so that we can do simulation and optimization in real time, especially for complex industries such as the manufacturing industry or the autonomous driving industry. Now, this relies very much on our hardware technology. Now, we all know that NVIDIA offers a wide range of GPUs, and with the latest NVIDIA Ada Lovelace architecture, we can do 3D rendering in Omniverse up to 7 times faster than its predecessors. Now, even on laptops, NVIDIA Ada Lovelace architecture with DLSS 3 is allowing you to render 3D assets in Omniverse up to 4 times faster. NVIDIA OVX is a set of systems built with NVIDIA data center grade GPUs and network cards to allow you to build a data center grade, data center scale, and physically accurate metaverse. And that's not all. We are also providing Omniverse Cloud that is built upon the NVIDIA OVX instances to allow you to access the metaverse through web browsers. And your 3D assets can be stored in a NVIDIA Omniverse Nucleus storage managed by your own team. Now with NVIDIA Omniverse, we are allowing the digital twin or the digital world and the physical world to be connected and communicate in real time through sensors and simulations. Now with that, we can, the physical world and the digital world can finally evolve with each other and affecting each other to find the optimal solution for the industries. Digital twins or the metaverse applications are giving the enterprises superpowers. What do I mean by that? In the metaverse, you can teleport to any part of the digital twin and inspect any aspect of it reflected by the real world. And you can predict the near future and in fact generate many possible futures to choose the optimal one for your design and product. Now, NVIDIA Omniverse is providing a platform for you to build the metaverse in 3D, in physical accurate, and also AI enabled. From the smaller scale, as small as a molecule, and as big as the planet itself. We are giving you the opportunity to build your metaverse application that covers every industry of today. And next, I'll conclude my speech by showing what NVIDIA Omniverse can do in designing and operating a data center built by our own engineers.
NVIDIA Omniverse can be used to build digital twins of high-performance data centers to help optimize every step of planning, building, and operating complex supercomputing facilities. In constructing NVIDIA's latest AI supercomputer, engineering CAD datasets from tools like SketchUp, PTC Creo, and Autodesk Revit are aggregated so designers and engineers view and iterate on the full-fidelity USD-based model together. With Patch Manager connected to Omniverse, the complex topology of port-to-port connections, rack and node layout, and cabling can be integrated directly into the live model. Next, CFD engineers use Cadence Six Sigma DCX to simulate thermal designs. Engineers can leverage AI surrogates trained with NVIDIA Modulus for real-time what-if analysis. And with NVIDIA Air, a network simulation platform connected to Omniverse, the exact network topology, including protocols, monitoring, and automation, can be simulated and pre-validated. Once construction is complete, the physical data center can be connected to the digital twin via IoT sensors, enabling real-time monitoring of operations. With the perfectly synchronized digital twin, the engineers can not only simulate common dangers, such as power peaking or cooling system failures, but also validate software and component upgrades for CI/CD before deploying to the physical data center. With digital twins and Omniverse, data center designers, builders, and operators can streamline facility design, accelerate time to build and deployment, and optimize ongoing operations and efficiency.
And now we invite Mr. Liu, Senior Industry Analyst from MIC, to share about development trends and application analysis of the metaverse. Let's welcome Mr. Liu.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm glad to be talk about metaverse development. My name is Wallace Liu. I'm from MIC. 以下呢，考量时间的关系，我之后用中文跟各位分享。那我开头呢，还是先跟各位说明一下这个元宇宙的一些基本的概念。好，第一个我把它分成两个主要的概念啊。第一个就是一个叫虚拟的世界，沉浸的虚拟世界。 那第二个它其实是不限制于只能在虚拟世界中体验，也在真实世界也可以比如我们可以透过 AR， 那不管是哪一种，它都可以视作是这个虚实互通持久的存在，可以随时随地进入这样子一个未来网络的一个方向去发展并且深入到人们的生活要到这样子的一个程度，才可以说是真正的一个元宇宙。那我们接下来从这个下面这个时代的演进的角度来看呢，从这个传统的时代过渡到这个网络的时代，其实中间其实有历经过一场泡沫，网络的泡沫。那现在我们大家都可以正常的可以透过网络来就是进行大量的这个购物、社交或者是开会等等，都已经是非常的成熟了。那我们当然会想象未来的网络时代可能也会当然也可能历经一场泡沫进一步在虚实相融的环境之中进行前面提到的各种行为。当然这是相当的不容易的。好，那么支撑元宇宙的愿景呢，我这边把它简单就是弄成三星第一星资本的新故事。那也正是仰赖前几年这个热钱的涌入那科技大厂的号召，那当时推估的市场规模甚至可以达到在2030年可以达到数千亿甚至数兆亿美元这样的一个恐怖的一个金额那牵涉到的业者也是相当的多。那这也为资本带来一个很不错的新故事当然这块呢其实很受这个景气的波动经济的这个逆风影响是非常的大，所以这一块需要持续的关注。那第三个其实就是技术的新场景以及市场的新想象，这些呢大概可以归纳成为元宇宙这一块大家去投入的这个长期的愿景。好，那么在发展局势方面呢，其实就没有那么乐观了那我接下来会从技术经济、社会和市场这4个角度简单谈一下现在这个元宇宙的一个发展局势好，那我们首先从 NASA 提出的这个技术准备指数 NRL 这个角度来看呢，当前这个元宇宙其实很明显嘛，还在不管才过了2年多这个大概还在这个概念发展的阶段，也就是 TRL 1到3这一块。那还有很多的瓶颈需要去克服，很多的这个标准需要去设立那下面呢，我将这个元宇宙简单的分成3个层次。好，第一层Layer 1就是基础建设层 ，Infrastructure 就是包括5G、6G 或 GPU、CPU 这些基础建设。第二层关键的这个能力和装置包括像是去中心化能力、空间运算能力，还以及这个人机互动的装置。好，第三层应用的生态包括 No Code 或者是 Low Code 的这个内容创作的生成的平台，或者是应用的4级体验的平台等等都包括在内好，那甚至是可以连接到现在很红的这个 UGC， 甚至是 AIGC， 就是AI 生成内容这样的一个生态，是一个相当重要的一个层次。但不管是哪一个层，其实他们的瓶颈都需要突破。比如在基础建设层这一块就有说法认为说这个现在要达到元宇宙这样的一个程度，它的运算效率甚至是要提高100倍，或者甚至是网速要提高1000倍，甚至有可能性需要到这样的程度。那当然也吸引了很多业者投入去发展。那我下面列举几家像是Meta、Microsoft、Epic Games 还有 NVIDIA 其实都有去切入在这3层之中。那他们都是夹带既有的优势去切入的，像是 Meta 就是有庞大的社交用户，还有 VR 的实力。那微软呢，它就是拥有很广泛的这个企业的用户、企业软体的用户，还有它其实很投入在 AR/MR 的这个能量其实蛮多的。那 Epic Games 的话呢，它其实就是一个游戏大厂，那它有推这个引擎 Unreal。NVIDIA 那自然就不用说，它是 GPU 的一个指标大厂，那在实现元宇宙是不可或缺。那进一步呢，我看最近的一个局势跟各位分享。那我们先从就上面这4家来看呢，就是有推出 AR/VR 装置的业者来看。好，在最近在经济逆风的影响之下，其实 受创是蛮严重的，就是状况是不是那么乐观。好像是 Meta 它就是有包括也陷入这个裁员的风暴。那像是在去年的元宇宙部门，它就亏损超过137亿美元。好，那在 VR 的这个销售其实也是有下滑啊。那 Quest 3就是它新一代的这个 VR 装置，今年预计说会推出啊，那实际上的时间点还不确定。那 Horizon Worlds 就是他们的 VR 社交平台，就是在应用方面这一块，其实争议就很多了，所以这块是相当比较不乐观的部分。那在微软方面呢，微软其实同样它也是陷入了这个裁员的风暴，也有预计是有破万人的裁员。那他们的整体的发展的策略是从比较偏硬体，因为他们在 AR 装置上面有 HoloLens 这一块，以前是以这个为主导。那慢慢他已经宣布说要从软体来主导整个 XR 的产业的发展。那他们在平台内容上面也是开始专注在企业级的平台叫 Mesh， 那也关闭了这个 VR 的社交平台 Allspace VR。好，那但是他们的 CEO 其实都还是很认可这个元宇宙，把它变成是长期的战略。但是当前的关注的焦点就会在 AI 上面。那没有推出 AR/VR 装置的业者呢？我就是 Epic Games 还有 NVIDIA 为例啊。那 Epic Games 就是有包括它有在增资30亿美元在这一块就是投入元宇宙的业务。那还有推出元宇宙的一个程式语言 VIVERSE， 然后还有它的 Unreal， 它的活跃开发者也是超过750万。好，那它的指标性的就是它的元宇宙有元宇宙概念的一个游戏，叫做 Fortnite。它现在它的注册用户也有破500万。好，但是它相对比较特别的是，它有表示过它不推 VR， 它就是在推 UGC。好，那 NVIDIA 呢 ？NVIDIA 就刚刚如前面的讲者提到的 Omniverse 的这一块，它下载量在去年底我看到是有超过30万，可能现在更多了。那它有 launch 这个 AI 的这个工具就是 ACE 的部分。那整体来看，其实这个没有推出装置的这2家业者，其实呢就是比较偏重是在内容生成生态这方面去着手，因为实在现在元宇宙的问题还是在于一些内容不够能够让用户持续性的参与、持续性的体验。那他们像是他们黄仁勋他这个在前阵子就有提到 UGC AIGC 可能是创造这个元宇宙内容的重要的一个推手。好，那我们继续看这个经济面的部分。假想的这个元宇宙情境，那数位资产应该是可以互相流通的比如我们在 A 平台设计一双数位的鞋，那在 B 平台应该也是可以互相流通或者可以使用可以交易等等。那在这样子的一个概念之下呢，其实也会让当时在2021年的时候，让 NFT 开始爆红起来，非常夸张。那时候还宣称是什么都可以 anything， 就是什么都可以都可以变 NFT， 甚至只要你有心，其实就可以发行。我自己就有发行过。那也为产业带来很多机会，但是它其实问题非常的多，就是在市场部分，其实你们可以看到2021年跟2020年它这个市场状况变化非常的剧烈，整整差了200多倍的这个交易量的部分。那在2022年的下半年的时候呢，开始整个买气就明显下滑，当时是利率的问题，买气明显下滑，那开始经济逆风等等。那对，加密货币市值也蒸发不少。在今年初的时候，其实加密货币稍微有点回稳，但 NFT 的反弹幅度并没有那么明显。好，那除此之外，它还有很多课题像是炒作、哄抬的炒作，欺诈的盗窃等等，那些课题都还没有解决相关的规范也还不够明确。那 NFT 真实的价值是什么呢？还不够明朗，所以它自然会成为整个这个元宇宙经济面的一个焦点。好，那我们再看社会面。那我刚刚最早前面有提到，元宇宙它号称未来网络，那自然我们会想象网络时代，网络的时代，那现在过渡到未来的网络时代，那些网络的问题是不是会放大？ 很有可能，甚至会不会产生就是产生全新的问题啊，比如像是一些霸凌、骚扰、歧视啊，包括那种审美的歧视，比如说不同捏的不同的 avatar 啊，或者是种族的歧视，都会可能会更严重，或者是偷窃别人的虚拟化身，或者是透过这些透过 deepfake 等等的一些相关的技术透过虚拟化身来做诈骗等等的行为。那当然，元宇宙时代万物联网，数据巨量的汇流，那隐私安全的问题自然也会需要去很关注它。那这也不是空口白话，就有调查指出，差不多63%的这个受调者，他们认为这个元宇宙环境隐私资料保护的问题是非常担忧的。那比霸凌的还多，霸凌是51%。那除此之外，当然还有去中心化、这个中心化这样子的一个机制的取舍，甚至是一些沉迷这些健康的问题等等，都是属于这个社会议题的这块可以持续关注的点。那当然也会激发更多的，慢慢会激发更多的像是政府或企业去关注这些议题。好，那再来看是市场面。当前有许多元宇宙概念的应用其实有非常多但是其实他们的用户规模还是远远的不够。那其实在这个业界其实都有一种说法，就是要达到 billion， 就是10亿级的这个用户的一个门槛，市场才会起飞。好，那我们对应现在的这个 to C， 好像大家用户比较多的这块 to C 这块的这个 application 来看呢，不管是微软的麦块，Epic的 Fortnite 等等，或者甚至是 VR 界很红的Red Room 等等，其实他们的活跃用户、注册用户都没有达到10亿了，就不用说活跃用户要达到10亿级，因为理想上他说的这个起飞其实是活跃级用户要达到10亿级。好，那进一步来看呢？装置的部分其实现在的装置部分，现在大部分的这个元宇宙概念的应用，其实很多都不支援 AR/VR 装置，比较红的，甚至是 VR 界很红的 Red Room 或是 VR Chat，他们都不支援 VR， 不只支援 VR， 它也支援其他的 PC 行动装置等等。好，还有其他的就不用说了就是行动装置 PC 为主，这一块自然还是比较容易拓展市场，这也是受限于装置的普及程度。好，那我们再谈谈应用面。其实有很多的应用，其实都已经在这个结合 3D XR 或者是 Blockchain 或者 Digital Twins 5G 等等的科技去扩散发挥那以下呢，我简单从 To C 比较面向一般消费者、一般大众 Public 的部分，还有 To B 就是比较面向机构这样的角度去分大概6个领域来分别来探讨。那 To C 这一块就包括娱乐、城市还有 Retail， 就是零售。那 To B 的部分就包括教育、办公，还有工业那接下来我会逐步的探讨。娱乐方面，娱乐可以说是元宇宙概念应用的一个起源，就是起源于人的这个娱乐的需求。好，所以它的发展是最快的。很多早期研究很多雏形的应用是可以继续延伸去发展的好，那它的这个，但是它主要是为什么呢？主要是基于我们人有很庞大的这个游戏或社交的需求没有游戏，自然人都需要社交嘛。那这样子，自然就有一些基础的这个受众。好，从这样的一个角度去切，那它就可能去慢慢的去补一些，就是很多的内容的创造生成就出来了，那就会包括甚至是可以吸引各式各样的行业去进驻，包括从加活动或到这个创造世界的角度，就是不管是在元宇宙的这个概念性的这个平台中，我们可以在上面办活动，到让用户自己来创造世界等等这样的角度去发展，去领导整个元宇宙的一个这个生态。好，那也吸引了很多行业进驻嘛。那所以自然这个用户内容的生成生态，自然是发展的关键。不管是前面提到的UGC 或者是 AIGC 都好。 那这边有举几个例了，像是 Fortnite 就是有前几年它有超过1000多万人同时听这个虚拟的演唱会。那微软的麦块也好，它有每个月有1亿7600万玩家好，那 Roblox 也的内容分润给用户的金额有破亿美元。那当然争议很多的是什么？就是有连接 NFT 的这种游戏，这种 games。好，这一块争议相当比较多。那我接下来就针对这个 The Sandbox， 就是比较有这种带入这种区块链 NFT 的概念的这个游戏来开始谈。那它的主要的核心的目的其实就是要打破一些开放世界的游戏比如像是微软的麦块，它的所有权不是来自于用户手上，这个就是创作的所有权，所以它就是以这个概念为基础去发展。它主要可以分成3个核心的数位资产。好，第一个是 Land， 就是前几年很红的这个，最近很惨的是这个 Land 土地的 NFT。好，第二个是 Asset， 就是创意的资产，就是我们可以自己打造很多道具很多这个动植物建筑这些。第3个就是 Sand， 就是流通的这个游戏的流通的货币。那我们要怎么去创造这些数位的资产呢？好，那自然它官方会有一些资源的一些开发工具，让用户自己去创造这个 asset， 或者是你可以在 land， 你租人家的 land， 或者是你自己的 land 上去放置一些 asset， 找到一个体验出来。好，那再来就是最核心的 P2E， Play to Earn， 就是你可以把你的 asset 上架到store 上面去销售，或者你把你的体验去开放收费，那或者是你通关别人的体验，也可能可以有这个奖金，这种就是它的主要的 P2E， 主要的 P2E。那这边是有简短的影片。好，这就是他把资产就是放土地上，打造出一个体验不管是个 party 也好。可能也是个演唱会，好，甚至也是可以是个游戏。那这类的这个 NFT 形态的这个游戏，它受到这个加密货币甚至 NFT 的高波动影响非常的明显所以它的这个高游戏性，甚至是强健的金融体系的打造是非常重要。我分享一个点，就是这我前几天看它的这个 Sand， 这边这个 Sand 它的市值像是11亿美元。但我去年差不多同期的时候，我记得是3、4月的时候看，32亿美元整整蒸发了接近1/3吧，2/3，蒸发了2/3左右。好，那我们再看城市面，city 的部分。那这一块其实是有很多这个政府来主导的，或者是政府来支持的项目。城市的部分通常是这样的模式。那它主要的目的是什么呢？就是带动这个社会的流动，比如说这个居民跟居民之间，或居民跟公务机关，或者是跟其他的产业界之间，或者是居民跟跨国、跨县市这样子的一个社会的流动。那乃至于说它是想要促进观光或者是公共服务的一个转型，所以它其实它的可塑性也很高，就是它比如我可以在上面，在它的 City Hall 这边去办公务，去咨询一些议题等等，我可以在 Shopping Mall 上去购物，我也可以去看表演、看比赛，或者是看观光景点等等。它的理念是希望可以达到更多元的东西架构在这个虚拟城市上面，但是它难度也相当的高因为它覆盖面很广。如果你的内容、你的功能不够完善，它不会像娱乐型那样子就是有足够的诱因去长期的吸引用户，持续性的来参与。持续的性的投入，就像是这个 Metaverse Seoul， 就是元宇宙首尔很有名的这一块这个案例。那我上个月有看，他们每日差不多就只有600多人上线，600多人上线。好，那我实际上有了解过了，它目前的内容真的是很缺乏。好，那整体来看，相对比较有亮点的就是日本的虚拟涉谷。好。 日本这个虚拟涩谷其实它也是融合了这个涩谷的一些真实的一个比较重点的一些景点、重点的一些环境，然后去连接。那它强调大量的活动举办，包括前面提到像演唱会啊，定期会有这种大家看世足，好，或者是它有很多，因为日本它相对它在这个 IP 的部分很强，好，像是它有跟这个柯南还有鬼灭之刃等等都有进驻过，这些很强的 IP 都有进驻过，所以它在娱乐性这一块是相对比较充足，它定期也会举办，不好意思。好，定期它也会举办很多这个活动啊，包括这种像是它在前几年就办了万圣节虚拟的万圣节活动，就有55万人上线啊。其实，在对于 City 的角度来说，这是相当不容易的。那此外呢，它也有这个都市联动的设计，就是说它有主导成立一个联盟，那希望就是把整个日本的其他城市都基于它这样子的一个发展的模式去联动起来。那现在目前是它已经有联动这个虚拟大阪，好，那它的未来的展望呢，就是希望把零售的部分也纳进去，啊，它其实已经有在做了啊，已经在 test 的部分的，哦，它其实就是把零售部分体验也纳进去，把更多元的元素弄到它的 city 里面。好，那我们再看零售。零售当时这个元宇宙爆发之后，其实也吸引大量的线上 online offline 或者是通路或品牌商涌入去发展、投入或者是关注这个元宇宙的部分。那主要是为了什么呢？当然是为了去切合它的 digital transformation， 还有这个一些这个体验的经济，或者是这个marketing 的这个 innovation， 还有 OMO 这些的风向去连接。那我这边下面举了几个做法，举了5个做法，是当前零售业者相对来说比较常见的一些做法。第一个就是 offline 的，就是比如在商场或者在百货公司的一些 AR 的导购或者是行销，这种算是一种先期的做法。那第二种比较偏线上，那就是线上的try on， 就是像是 AR 或 3D 的试穿、试鞋啊，那些都算，或者是商场 3D VR 的商场的展示间这样子，展示很多商品。那第三种就是数位商品的销售，包括我前面提到的 NFT 或者是一般数位的商品。那第四种就是当人家的进驻别人的元宇宙，去当别人的租户，比如说我进驻，像是前面提到的这个 The Sandbox。Adidas 就有去进驻，那 Roblox 的部分呢 ，Nike 好像就有进驻。那最后一种呢，自己建元宇宙这个难度相对比较高因为它需要不只是展间或者什么，它需要整个打造整个一个功能，甚至互通很多不同的元素进去，所以难度相对比较高。那目前来说案例相对也比较少像是最近我 CES 今年的 CES 去看的时候，乐天它的子公司就要推乐天的元宇宙，好，他们这部分。那日本的3月14呢，他们相对来说比较早投入这一块，接下来我会就3月14这部分进一步来做一些简单的介绍好，那基本上这个日本的这个虚拟的14它是基于整个真实的14周边的街景、百货的外观，然后还有甚至是它的这个楼层啊、店面啊，甚至是店员，他把明星店员的那个姿态什么的都会动作捕捉，都会做到这个程度的复制。它目前已经有5层楼，那这5层楼它销售的商品有770多个310个品牌，那它也有很多的功能，比如像是当然社交嘛，那或者是这个养宠物或者是店员的服务，那当然也有很多像是它慢慢它有增加更多元宇宙的元素，像是有自己的 room 自己的房间去装饰，自己装饰自己的房间。那它也强调了这个 avatar 的这个化身的经济，就是说就是虚拟的装扮，它有1亿多种组合，好这一块，甚至还有广告植入，还有多场景的这个活动。好，它的未来的方向呢，其实呢，它是希望呢反而是希望往前面提到的 city 往前面的城市走，就是他考虑希望说可以纳入其他不是伊势丹的零售业者，纳入他的平台之中，好，去打造出整个更完整、吸引更多用户来体验的一个这个环境。它的方向是这样。好，那再来谈教育面。那当时在元宇宙热潮起来的时候，也是吸引这教育业界很多人开始去关注这一块议题。那包括他们希望可能有更沉浸、更深入的体验在教育这块。那再让这个教育甚至可以从一般的学校的这种学校的这种体制型的教育，去扩及到大众的科普的教育，好，进一步去翻转整个教育的这个商业教育的这个模式。好，我简单举4个在学校目前这个国际上常见的4种先期的做法。第一种是学科的教育，比如就是针对像是比如上这个历史或者英文或者是科学 STEAM 的那种这种课程的这样子的一个虚拟环境，这块是比较先期的做法。那这一块以 STEAM 部分发展最快。那第二种就是这个课堂之间的互动，比如说分组的讨论点名这种都算。好，那再来是这个活动的举办，比如办毕典、办校庆、办这个征才会这些，那这些都算是比较单点式的需求、小范围式的需求。那当然在扩散呢，空间的扩散方面呢，可能就是从这些小范围需求，最后去变成是整个虚拟校园，直接做一个虚拟校园。那里面就包含前面提到各种的这个案例，各种的这个应用，这样子的逻辑。但是其实在操作上，我看了蛮多的国际案例，还有它现在的发展其实直接操作一个大型的空间一个大型的虚拟校园这样子比较大规模的这个部分，难度非常的高，而且成效也不是很好，是有不少是这样子，但成效不好，因为它很难去一开始就把足够量的师生去粘着到它的这个平台上面，很难。那如果呢？当然，现在比较正常的逻辑方式是从小范围的需求满足，就是先针对把大家的这个使用习惯、体验的习惯，从比如学科的教育课堂互动、一些活动都去满足了，慢慢满足未来才会连接这个整个空间扩散，才是比较实务的。从这个角度来看，确实是这样。那所以说，发展最快的这几个发展中最快的，就是学科教育这一块。好，特别是这个 Labster。Labster 呢，它其实是就是针对这个情境的科学，那它是有提供用户超过300多种这个虚拟的教材。这我前几年看，我其实在疫情爆发之前看好像才150种吧，现在已经有300多种。那它有横跨不同的这个科目像是物理、化学等等。好，那它主要我直接讲重点，其实它讲到4个特色。第一个是这个无风险的体验，就是我可以体验那种很贵很危险的这种实验。好，但是因为它是这个虚拟的嘛，自然就是在这块来说成本效益是比较高，而且你可以这样子，就是比如核能这种东西有相关的一些的实验，你也可以操作。第二种就是无限制的实作。那这样原来实体的其实会造成很多的这个就是成本，也是成本的问题。那自然在虚拟的环境之中，你自然可以让学生尽情的去反复的去实作，熟悉这些器材和流程。好，第三种就是比较故事性的情境，比如说就是我是在这个命案的现场采 DNA， 那回来去找凶手，可以连接这种情境，让学生学得更快。那最后一种自然就是会整合一些追踪这些表现，就是他过往的一些 实验的成果，或者是说考试啊，或整合到他的自己的那个学习管理系统。那他这块的目标，最终的目标自然也是希望能够就是连接到未来的元宇宙了，从科学宇宙的角度慢慢去连接。但这个案例其实看似很简单，好像没什么，但其实它成长真的非常快。我在前几年看，好像才10万左右的用户。那我去年底看的时候，已经暴增到500多万的这个超过500万的这个用户规模，而且它的客户遍及3000多个学校客户，然后有70多个国家地区。他还宣称能够帮助学生提升16%，平均提高16%的成绩。好，再来是这个办公的部分。那疫情对我们现在的工作模式影响自然已经很深远嘛。到现在这个阶段，我们其实已经开始很多都是远距上班啊，不管是就已经相当习惯了，包括台湾也是这样。那其实我们就开始会想，未来的这一块呢，其实工作的模式呢，除了这个虚拟加就是线上线下之外，自然会有包含虚拟加实体这样子的一个 hybrid 的这种工作的模式，自然也是一个重要的选项啊。比如说，我是在工作的环境啊，或者是任务的资源，或者是会议的协作上面，那现在就有一些 regular 的这些比较常态的做法，那也有一些 hybrid 的做法，这样子的一个方向。但是其实这一块发展也是有问题啊，就是如果要真正的成长起来啊，真正的让很多用户来体验，真正有更多的人来使用这些所谓的这个虚实的工具，它需要去跟企业常用的既有的工具做一个很高度的一个整合。举例就是比如我们在用 Teams 普通的这个沟通，公务上的沟通。那如果我们要脑力激荡，我们想说，我们到一个虚拟环境脑力激荡，比如 3D AR 或是 AR、VR 那种虚拟空间脑力激荡，结果，我们需要就是在转换那个环境之间的流畅度，或者大家都不熟，怎么转啊？那个装置也不够好，为什么？等等，这种的整合力不够好的话，那企业导入的这个必要性就相对比较低了。所以这一块的这个流畅度、这个整合力的这个成败，其实就是它成长的一个关键。那整体来看，其实发展最快的，自然就是工作环境这一块。这个案例很多人应该都清楚，就是 Gather， 就是在这个虚拟办公环境这一块。那它是一个这个有早期的这种 RPG 像素游戏的感觉，所以它有些游戏化元素进去了。那它也有这个就是它的关键点是在于说，它是可以动态的观察同事们的状况，比如他是不是在偷懒，比如说他是不是在茶水间等等。好，那现在的用户规模也是有超过这个1000万人。好，那再来最后是工业的部分。工业的这个部分就必须要讲到 digital twins， 那它自然是这个工业的这个发展的一个关键的趋势。好，但是呢 ，digital twins 跟 Metaverse 其实还是有一些本质上的不同。digital twins 是源于工业的需求。Metaverse 如从前面讲的，它是源自于娱乐的需求。那这个是一个是源自于这个就物件，比如零组件这些；那一个是源自于人。好，这是从人开始的。那一个呢它是强调这个效率的提升，一个是强调关系的深化。好，但不管是哪一个，就是 digital twin 还是可以纳入这个元宇宙的技术体系之中，而且它已经迈入这个市场的部署阶段了。好，那讲到 digital twin， 自然要讲到这个西门子。西门子其实就是它有强调3种分身。第一种是这个产品的分身，好，第二种就是生产的分身，强调生产状况的验证。第三种就是效能的分身，它就是不是强调那个画的映射，就是数位化映射，而是强调数据的汇流。好，那因为时间关系，我快速的讲就是它其实目前呢，整个西门子它的这个市场其实已经遍及了全球各地，甚至是有涵盖到 涵盖到这个新创的部分，包括帮助一家这个英国的包装的解决方案业者降低了这个能源成本70%左右。好，最后来总结一下。好，从前面提到的这个，其实有包括技术面也好、经济面也好、社会面也好、市场面也好，其实我们都可以发现，从现在的网络时代到未来的网络时代，中间其实有很大的 gap， 很大的落差需要去缩减。好，这都会有很大的落差需要缩减，我就把它称之为 Universe Gap。Universe Gap， 那这些要怎么缩减这些落差？其实不只是一家公司或几个公司就可以做，它需要大家或各界各路人马一起来去共襄盛举，才能去解决。那最后提到的这个内容的应用生态也是这一块其实是元宇宙达成元宇宙的最后一里路。好。那但是我们刚刚前面提到的，不管是娱乐也好零售也好，城市也好，办公工业等等，目前呢发展都不够成熟，用户规模就不够多嘛。那而且都是单点各自的发展，他们没有所谓的汇流整合。但是真正的元宇宙情境是强调需要这些东西这些应用这些里面的各个内容都需要很完善，然后才会真正的汇流整合，去形成一个自然连续的元宇宙。好，最后我稍微补充一下。好，那在这个回归到最近当前的话题其实就是我们会关注到 AIGC 这个议题，就连同我前面提到的 AIGC 部分。我们从 Gartner 他提出的这个技术曲线来看，其实也很正常。当在 AIGC 部分，它的技术的高原期差不多是在这个5到10年内就达到技术高原期，所以自然当前的焦点很多都会关注到这一块，相比元宇宙可能要在10年之后。那我们也会期待这个从内容生成的这个生态，也会从 PGC、UGC 到辅助的这个 AI 生成，到真正的 AIGC， 迈向这样的这个情况，去连接元宇宙时代，它需要巨量的这个内容，去发挥这样的潜能，才能真正的去堆叠出前面提到的各种商机。好 ，Thanks for listening. Thank you.
And last but not least, let's welcome Mr. Hanson Chen from Big Reality General Manager to talk about Metaverse Smart Digital Twins XR integration of virtual and reality for industry success. Let's welcome Mr. Hanson Chen.
大家午安，我叫俊南。你觉得不帅的话，你也可以叫不出来，你可以叫我英文名字。My name is Hanson. BX Reality General Manager, and I want to talk about the Metaverse digital twin in virtual reality in Taiwan success case study. What is the digital twin metaverse in our thinking? Let's see video. We can replicate the real world from the transportation digital twin, including a role, architecture, smart building, manufacturing, energy, weather, flow, disaster prevention, include our real case in this video. Yeah. Okay, the first case, smart city in small transportation, 淡水 city. So, smart city success case in 淡水. We create a digital twin 3D dashboard of the Ministry Transportation PMO office. With integration AIoT data, including real-time dynamic data, self-driving bus, and multiple dimension electronic and environment management, real-time monitoring of smart traffic, smart cars, CCTV. Okay. 淡水 Smart City Digital Twin 3D Data Analysis Decision Integration 3D Asset Smart Asset Cities and different view. And the Smart Traffic Master Control Center Integrate Self-car road traffic flow management, AI, intersection positioning, and event status displayed. This another real case about disaster prevention. We cooperate NCDR.
台湾因为本身的地理位置，所以我们每年几乎都会经历过像说台风啊、地震这些灾害。2009年的莫克台风，其实对我们来讲也是从灾害中去做一个学习。我们希望能够克服以前从纸本传递的方式，把它变成一个更自动化，然后可以更精准的去做防灾工作。这几年我们已经转换成3.0的一个版本，跟以前的不一样，主要就是我们把相关的地图从2维变成3维的方式。更立体化、具象化呈现在这个指挥官的一个面前，那可以更了解到说当前的情势的一个状况。今年10月的尼莎台风在台湾的北部造成大量的一个降雨，台基线那时候已经有人员受困在这当中，所以我们当时就利用这新型的决策图台跟这第一线的人员同步相关的资讯，把这个受困的地点标注在这个地图上面，容易崩塌的一个地点在哪里。让指挥官可以清楚的了解这个地点后续的风险是怎么样子。另外，我们也透过这个路线规划去规划出来，做疏散撤离的时候，到底是往哪边疏散撤离是最安全，可以更快速的做一个撤离的一个方式。透过我们的山区闪红系统来呈现这降雨的状况跟淹水的程度。那这种更直觉的方式，也让指挥官可以更快了解到说降雨的趋势，还有这整个灾害的一个趋势的发展，来做一个搭配，来做一个应用。这个平台系统的建立，主要是希望能够达成准确的一个灾害预警判断，跟协助指挥系统下更精准的救灾指令。对于这套系统未来的发展，希望能够手机上面也可以去做一个应用，可以让所有人依照自己的需求，透过这个平台主动获得资讯。那最终的目标，我们希望能够达到一个数位孪生的一个境界。在现场发生什么，那等于说在我们的系统里面也可以呈现出来这整个所有的一个情况。
Yes, we developed a 3D visualization of a typhoon warning and roll flow the command system. This is our disaster prevention solution. fire simulation, customized curse, guard view, AI virtual assets. You can drive a fire truck. Even in the airport, airside, you can drive a fire truck. Training. Commander AR. We input a lot of open data and migration a lot of data inside. This is our fire disaster total solution. Fireman VR solution. Fire truck. Multiple PC. Mobile device. So we have a fire disaster Metaverse XR training total solution, including over 100 people in VR training, and the Commander 3D dashboard, and the fire truck driving, and the mobile learning. Smart factory. This all create a browser-based 3D platform. You can see the old Taiwan map. This is a microwave device. You can draw down and see detail by any angle, any dimension. You can see more detail about the error message. We can pump or alert to you. We can see a server farm room. A lot of sensor data input. We do the visualization for 3D. You can see the rate information. And the CCTV real-time video. This is a digital twin in our thinking. Yeah. Dashboard, a lot of dashboard. Yes. So we provide 3D dashboard for factory networking environment and the CCTV and ALT data. I want to talk about the transportation. Taoyuan Airport airside driving XR. You can select over 12 bucket hole to drive. And you can change weather by your need. Yeah. Can raining or daytime or nighttime. we collect real-time data, including the violation events and the output data real-time. We want to help you reduce the traffic accident finally. So this is our editor. And this is a real case we cooperate with the NPA for police XR training for 3 years. This is a real world. 2 people double police to do work. This is a virtual world in Metaverse. This one is the NPC, the avatar. We can control the avatar by coach or by AI. Yeah. So localized, yeah. So this is the real world. Yeah, the police reaction for the. Yeah. And you can see the NPC controlled by coach, so coach can reaction any motion. The NPC is Iron Man, so. Yeah, we only use the HTC handheld, and this is the fire range shooting. Shooting target.
停止射击。
Yeah, I have a real gun here. Yeah. High user experience is our vision. Yeah. We only offer the police XR Metaverse training in Taiwan over 3 years. And every avatar high is same as a real one. And we offer 2 training. The first one, use the force decision. The second one, shooting target training. Finally, you have data including reaction time, physical stress, attack time, and working towards to 0 police casualty is our vision. Education. Very young is a good physical chemistry experiment XR training for K-12. Okay, you don't have asked me about chemistry. I don't like chemistry, but I can play chemistry in VR. Yeah. And finally, Penghu. I'm Penghuese. Penghu is a small island from Taiwan. Lacks nature resources and technology learning. So we invest the extra resources to small island. New technology can change the different we think. And AMD, very young, and MiFi CEO come with us. We think Metaverse will change the next generation people soon. So we believe the virtual economic will surpass the real economy.
到很多新奇以前不知道的事情，虽然我觉得有点难，好像没有全部吸收，但我还是觉得有个这样的开始或接触，应该是蛮有用的体验。
是透过科技，老师跟学生之间互动这样子，我觉得挺好的，增加课程的多元性和趣味性的东西这样。
如果以后这一群孩子可以成为这个方面的人才，或者是
Okay. Metaverse XR technology in serious game. We include 7 core technology, including the AI simulation, training editor, a virtual avatar, virtual essays, physical simulation, networking, and the XR device. We collect a lot of XR data. So VR training results. 400% face to train than in a class, and 275% more confident, 3.75 times more immediately, and 7 times more focused. A study from the Yale School of the Medicine found that VR trained surgeons were 29% faster and fewer errors.
路是人类最伟大的发明，它代表着无限希望，而透过学习，孩子的未来之路才有机会走向更多、更不一样的人生目的地。在台湾，有1/3的国中小学地处偏乡，他们的资源可能只有一般学校的1/10。当全球都在运用科技的力量翻转城乡差距，我们也想善用科技之岛台湾的力量，让孩子走得更远，跑得更快。实境科技正走进生活，走进台湾偏乡地区的课堂。我们相信路的前方，人人应该都要能够看见一片美好。用科技打开孩子的世界，用爱让偏乡连接元宇宙。
If you have a lot of money, you can invest us right now. Yeah. And I'm big Israelite, including Feynman 2 for 3D dashboard and Inside Eyes for big data analysis. I'm Hanson Chen. Thank you.